Are you tired of choosing between the compact convenience of a point-and-shoot and the advanced features of a DSLR? With so many options on the market, finding the ideal bridge camera can be a challenge. But fear not, we're here to simplify your search. In this video, we're exploring the best bridge cameras of 2025. These versatile hybrids combine the best of both worlds, offering powerful zoom capabilities, user-friendly controls, and high-quality images, perfect for photographers of all skill levels. Let's dive in and find the right fit for your photography adventures. To make things easier, I've included links to the best deals for each product down in the description. Keep in mind, the bridge camera aren't ranked in any specific order, so stick around until the end to get the full picture. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix FZ82. The Panasonic Lumix FZ82, also known as the FZ80, is a versatile bridge camera that combines power and functionality, making it an appealing option for photography enthusiasts. Priced around $180, it offers impressive features that cater to a wide range of shooting scenarios. 18.1 megapixel. High-sensitivity MOS sensor. This sensor allows for capturing high-quality images with vibrant colors, suitable for both daytime and low-light conditions. 60x optical zoom, 1200 mm f2.8 5.9. The expansive zoom range is ideal for capturing everything from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups, with optical image stabilization to help maintain sharpness at longer focal lengths. 4K video capability. You can record videos in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, which is perfect for capturing high-definition moments. 4K photo mode. This feature allows for bursts of 30 frames per second at 4K resolution, enabling you to select the best shot from action sequences. 3.0-inch touchscreen LCD. The improved resolution of 1.84 million dots ensures clear and detailed previews of your shots. Macro shooting. With the ability to focus down to 1 shutter meters, this camera is excellent for capturing intricate details in small subjects. Is the Panasonic Lumix FZ82 the right choice for you in 2025? For those looking for a budget-friendly bridge camera, the FZ82 remains a strong contender in 2025, particularly for casual photographers and travelers. Its flexibility, with a wide zoom range and 4K capabilities, makes it suitable for various situations, from landscapes to wildlife photography. However, if you are seeking professional-level image quality or advanced features, you might want to consider higher-end models that offer larger sensors and more extensive control options. Number 4. Nikon Coolpix P1000. The Nikon Coolpix P1000 is a super zoom camera that stands out for its unmatched 125x zoom lens, providing an incredible focal range of 3000 meters equivalent that is ideal for wildlife and sports photography. With a 16.1 MP resolution and a 1 to 2.3 inch sensor, this camera captures decent images, though it faces some limitations in low-light conditions. Key specifications include optical image stabilization to reduce blurriness from handshake, a 3.2-inch vari-angle LCD that allows for versatile shooting angles, 7 frames per second continuous shooting, making it suitable for action shots, 4K UHD video recording without cropping, which is great for videographers, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and connectivity. However, there are drawbacks. The P1000 is noted for being bulky and front-heavy, which can make it uncomfortable for extended use. The battery life is relatively short, and it can suffer from image quality issues in low light, along with slow autofocus. As of 2025, the price of the Nikon Coolpix P1000 is approximately $1,000. Whether this camera is right for you depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize zoom capabilities and are primarily photographing distant subjects, it could be an excellent choice. However, for those who don't need such extreme zoom or are looking for better low-light performance and portability, exploring alternatives might be advisable. Number 3. Canon PowerShot SX70HS. The Canon PowerShot SX70HS is a versatile bridge camera, perfect for enthusiasts seeking a balance between power and portability. It boasts a 20.3 MP BSI CMOS sensor, enabling detailed image capture, especially in challenging lighting conditions. The standout feature is its impressive 65x optical zoom lens, 21 1365 mm equivalent, allowing users to zoom in on distant subjects while maintaining clarity and detail. Additionally, it supports 4K video recording at a maximum resolution of 3840 x 2160, making it suitable for capturing high-quality video content. The camera features a 3-inch articulated LCD screen with a resolution of 922K pixels, enhancing usability for vlogging and self-portraits. It includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless sharing of photos and videos. The continuous shooting mode at 10 frames per second is a bonus for action photography, while its image stabilization helps minimize blur from handshake. Currently, the Canon PowerShot SX70HS is priced around $680, which positions it as a mid-range option in the bridge camera category. For 2025, the Canon PowerShot SX70HS remains a solid choice for photographers seeking a compact yet powerful camera. Its robust zoom capabilities, solid build quality, and range of features make it suitable for both casual use and more serious photography endeavors. However, if you're looking for a lighter option or more advanced features like interchangeable lenses, you might consider alternatives in the mirrorless category. Overall, it caters well to users who prioritize versatility and convenience. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix FZ2500. The Panasonic Lumix FZ2500 is a versatile super zoom camera that's ideal for both photography and videography, boasting impressive specifications that make it stand out in 2025. This camera features a 1.0-inch CMOS sensor with a resolution of 20.1 megapixels, allowing for excellent image quality even in low light. The 24-480mm f2.8 4.5 zoom lens provides a remarkable 20x optical zoom, making it suitable for capturing distant subjects with clarity. One of the key highlights is its ability to shoot 4K video in both UHD 3840 x 2160 and DCI 4096 x 2160 formats at frame rates of 30p and 24p. Additionally, it includes built-in ND filters, which are particularly beneficial for video recording by controlling exposure. The camera supports a range of advanced video features, including focus peaking and zebra patterning, making it a solid choice for serious videographers. Its 3-inch LCD screen is now touch-sensitive and offers a resolution of 1.04 million dots, enhancing usability. In terms of pricing, the Panasonic Lumix FZ2500 is currently available for approximately $1,000, positioning it as a competitive option compared to similar models from other brands. Overall, if you're looking for a camera that excels in both photography and videography, the Panasonic Lumix FZ500 is an excellent choice for 2025. Its combination of advanced features, excellent image quality, and video capabilities makes it suitable for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 1. Sony CyberShot RX10 EV. The Sony CyberShot RX10 IV is a high-performance bridge camera that combines professional features with user-friendly controls, making it an excellent choice for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its standout Zeiss Vario Sonnar T24-600mm f2.4 f4 lens offers a remarkable zoom range with a large aperture, allowing for stunning image quality throughout the entire focal length. The lens incorporates advanced optics, including Super ED glass to minimize chromatic aberration, and optical steady-shot image stabilization for sharper handheld shots. One of the RX10 IV's most impressive features is its 315-point phase detection autofocus system, which boasts a lightning-fast focusing speed of 0.03 seconds. This is complemented by enhanced tracking capabilities, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. With 24 FPS burst shooting and a robust 5-axis image stabilization system, this camera excels in both still photography and high-quality 4K video recording. For connectivity, the RX10 IV supports Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, ensuring seamless sharing of your images and videos. The camera is also built to withstand tough environments with its dust and moisture-resistant design, enhancing its durability for outdoor shooting. Pricing. As of now, the Sony CyberShot RX10 IV is available for around $1,700, making it a premium investment. Should you buy it in 2025? The RX10 i4 remains a strong contender for those seeking a versatile camera capable of producing exceptional images across various scenarios. If you prioritize a powerful zoom lens, rapid autofocus, and excellent video capabilities, this model is highly recommended. However, if you're looking for a lighter or more compact option for casual photography, you might want to explore alternatives.